The truth hurts. Trump is clearly not fit to niece just a girl with a speed problem girl sportbike shirt be president. And never was. The GOP is a repulsive party of self-serving greedy fuckheads. Dumb voters actually should be pissed that they got completely scammed by Trump and his party of pure shit. If it wasn't for Fox News, they would know the extent of the con job done to them and the entire nice just a girl with a speed problem girl sportbike shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Completely innocent. Oh, he's just asking a foreign country to investigate debunked conspiracy theories of his political rival. Happens all the time. Key witnesses and evidence nice just a girl with a speed problem girl sportbike shirt a Republican. And I love my country. This sitting president is a poison to everyone. He makes threats and breaks Twitter's terms of use countless times every single day. They just don't give a fuck because it makes them money. It's pretty fucked. Other product.